Emakhosini bantwana bethonga, welcome back to ichannel yami. Namhlanje ngithanda ukuphendula umbuzo in the comment section. Somebody came and was like, gogo ngiphuphe iTV screen Iphuka, right? So bantwana bethongo, ancestors noma abantu abadala, they speak to us in a way that we can relate, right? Everything that we are exposed to, they're gonna show you, right? For instance, if you're not familiar, you haven't seen a flat screen TV in your life, let's say ubukela kulama TV la uzophupha leyo TV, mangabe uke wabona bakubonisa ngendlela that you can relate, but that's not the point. So mawubona wena iTV screen Iphuka, I'm not gonna go in depth because you don't just remove alamehlo then ubona iTV Iphuka. The dream, it started somewhere, it ended somewhere. So me explaining, I'm explaining based on this that you've said, not the whole thing. The whole thing will determine ke ukuthi iphupho lakho lithini. So if in terms of ichaza it does not determine it, I'm sorry, because of we bege half. So bayakubonisa ukuthi no, remember iTV uyabuka and iTV it's used ngesignal. Manje abantu abadala bayakubonisa ukuthi no, ukuqhumana between thina nawe ayikho, awusiboni. We're trying to show you the colors on TV. You know, good laba TV we black and white. Sebathe kuveli rogo le color when uboni black and white. Konite ro I color iphi, there's no color. iTV iyaphuka, you're not seeing the pictures. Isound usuyayizwa but awuyizwa kahle noma iTV ife. It might be that kukhona into eyenza ukuthi wena nedalwa zakho ningaqhumani, ungababoni futhi ungabezwa. Right? So I'm not gonna go deep because angazi wena uphuphe iphupho lakho liqalaphi ke, ubani ophule iTV izwele weyiphulile, what happened in the dream, then it will determine ukuthi kahle kuyenzakalani. But this is to give you a hint. Then when it's your duty to listen to what I'm saying, digest your dream, go through it and interpret it yourself, because at the end of the day, umlayezo between you and your ancestors. That's why I always advise people, would say, try to understand when your ancestors communicate. It's not every time or every dream that what does it mean? Right? It's not every time. Yes, masoqakekile. Nakhona mawuqakeke uqale wabuza. Masobuzile, then you still confused, then you can come. Don't just uyavuka when uphupile, first thing that you go type. No, you don't do that, bantwana betonga, because if those lakho will keep quiet, ungasaphuphi. Bese uthi gogo angisaphuphi bangitshontshela, akunamuntu okutshontshela amaphupho. Idlozi li decide ukuthi lo akasizwa awuthi sidlu shut up. Sidlu But anyways, thank you so much guys for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Can't wait to see you onto my next upload. Bye.